Okay, so you can see that's how we roll here at the Shada House when it's a Saturday and we can't go outside and there's bad weather and there's just nothing else to do. Main reason why I made this video is to remind you all that first period American history, you have a Zoom session Monday 9 to 9:30, civics class Tuesday 9 to 9:30, fourth period American history Thursday 9 to 9:30. There are some assignments up for civics that you should probably be getting done. I see some of you have done that, some have not. For American history, you will get your new assignment on Monday for first period and on Thursday for fourth period. So, as always, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy.